Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine with my Brazilian curly wig. I'm just putting a t-shirt around my top so that I won't mess this white up. And I'm starting on freshly washed edges. Yes, I said freshly washed edges. I had washed my edges last night just to get all the buildup from the previous products that I had in my hair. And now I'm just putting my wig cap on. And I'm going to tuck those fairies away. Once you get the wig cap on, you want to make sure the part is straight. You will see me cleaning up this part throughout this whole video because the part is the most important part of getting the lace to lay as flat as possible and trying to make it look as seamless as possible as well. You want to make sure your wig cap is not sitting exactly on your hairline. You want to make sure that it's pushed back at least 1 inch or 2 inches just to make sure that some of your natural hair is left out so that it can blend into the wig itself and make it look more natural. I am using Got2b glue just because I have found that it actually lays the wig down and it's just amazing. The only thing that I have had a problem with is actually washing it out probably every other day or every 3 days just to get the buildup out, but it lays your edges down all day and it makes sure the wig stays in place all day. It's amazing. You guys will see. But you don't want to use a lot. You only want to use a little bit just because it will build up and it's really hard. Once it's set, it gets really hard. So once you guys get ready to get home and ready to take it off, you will have to drench your edges with water so you won't pull out your edges because this Got2b glue keeps everything intact all day. As you guys probably saw, I didn't put the Got2b glue around my whole hairline just because I have a curly wig and there's no need for me to put Got2b glue on the sides that aren't going to be shown. I'm just focusing on the edges that are going to be shown to make the wig more natural, just to avoid so much manipulation on parts of my edges that aren't even going to be seen. Brazilian curly wig. I believe it is in 10, 12, and 14 inches with a 8-inch lace closure, but I'm not for sure, so don't quote me on it. This hair is from Eunice. It is from Eunice hair, but I actually purchased it off Amazon. And Natural Chicks by JJP once again constructed this wig for me. She made my last wig that was in the previous video. When I tell you guys, the quality of her wigs were already great, but they're steady increasing. The wig cap that she used for this wig in particular is way lighter than the one she used previously, and the quality is just amazing. She actually shaped the wig for me, and she always bleached the closure, plucked the knots, and always connect with you and contact you and FaceTime you to see what else you want done to the wig, and it's really just amazing. I've actually been loving this wig. It's actually my favorite, and I don't know, it's just so much that you can say about this wig. But right now I'm just about to wet it and add a little bit of conditioner just to get my curls super defined. And Natural Chicks by JJP is actually the one who recommended this conditioner to use to define the curls. I usually work with my fingers to get my curls defined, but if I'm struggling a little bit, I'll grab my paddle brush and finish the job. If my ends look a little fuzzy or dry and not silky and shiny, I'll spray a little bit of water up there and actually just squeeze the ends in my hand with water, and they come right back to life. As promised, I'm going back and touching up my part a little bit more and adding a little bit more glue just to blend some of the hair from the wig with some of my edges, just to make everything look a little bit more seamless. And of course it takes a little time, but once I get everything how I want, I'll tie my hair down for about 5 minutes and then let it set, and then I'll be back to show you guys the end results. FYI, if you guys wanted to add a little bit of concealer to the beginning of the part just to make sure it blends in kind of with the cap to make sure it's the same color, you guys are welcome to do so. I personally just don't like to put too much makeup on my wigs just because it gets kind of gunky and nasty once you get ready to wash it. But whatever floats you guys' boat. The end results. I loved it. I hope you guys loved it too, and I hope you guys will come back and watch more of my videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and see you in my next vid.